traders, welcome back to another video. Now as you can see, this trade is just I've just gotten out of this trade. Well, I got out of with 60 pips, but I want to break down this trade, want us to go through this trade together. If you've missed it or if you've gotten it, well, let's jump into it and see. Let's break this trade down. It's gold. So as you can see from yesterday, we had a big drop during the New York session and a consolidation, and then during the London and Asia session, the market continued dropping. And then we had this pump. Let me remove this. We had this pump. We had this pump to the high from the gap time, from 2 hours before the market opened. We had our pump to the high. Now, this is the process. When I come to the market, I'm coming after the first hour has formed. Now, follow my reasoning. Simply, I know the market moves in 3 pushes, and this is the 15-minute time frame. Alright? So, when I came to the market, the market had formed this structure. 1 push, 2 push, and it's a pump, a very nice vertical move. So in my mind, I'm telling myself, we need 1 more move. That is where I'm looking for my entry. And also we had news at 10. So I knew the second hour was going to form my structure, wait for the news to be released, see how the market behaves when the news is released, and then now from there on I can enter. I can look for my setup. Now we have the first move, the second move, and then the first 15-minute candle of the second hour gave us this is our first move, our second move. Now when I see this red candle, I know now the next blue candle is the last move. Well, not the next, but the next higher high is going to be my last move. Now, this is the typical scenario where the first hour sets the high and the low of the session, right? So we have our last move where we were waiting for our last move, but also the first hour. By the first hour, I mean this high. This is our high of the session before 9:30. After 9:30, the market opens. It continues higher to the quarterly level above the high of the day, high of the session. And then we have our consolidation with our M pattern here. This is our M pattern, one M pattern with the break of structure. I know this is where confuses a lot of people. So let me draw that M for you. Now, when you see the break in structure, the previous double top is the M pattern. This is the M pattern because after this we have our break in structure, and then we have our retest and our engulfment. Simple. So for those guys who don't understand what the engulfment is, what the M pattern is, and I saw a comment, MW, it doesn't matter. When you're at the top, when I say M or W, just know, well, use your common sense. It's the M above or the W below. Well, anyway, the point is that there's this break in structure. Once there's a break in structure, we wait for the retest and then the engulfment at 10:04. This is our entry. After the engulfment, that is our entry. So you can have your stop loss above there and your risk reward ratio of 2. Well, I got 60 pips here, but it was a clean trade, a clean trade. But you must first understand what you want from the market. First things first. Have some playbook setups that that you know that, you know, it's just the variations of the pump and dump. We have now, this is the one that I used to primarily trade. The first hour sets the high of the day or the high of the session. Second hour breaks above or points the high and then gives us our setup. And you know, with more videos coming, I will show you all the other variations. But this is just my strategy. You need to align yourself with how you think, how you trade, how you live, and then now you use all this information and then align it with your own unique personal trading plan. Because for sure, if you go and look at Stacy Buck's trade, you might see we have a variation in our entry, in our analysis, but we are still trading the same strategy, the same patterns, the same price action. It's just that everyone, if you don't have an edge in the market, then you are not going to make any money. This is the reality. So guys, hopefully I've cleared a few cobwebs that some of you might have. If you have any questions, comment down below, and you know, now I'm available to answer all these questions. Yeah, more to come in the future. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and yeah, may the markets go with you. It's the weekend, so this is when most of the time you actually mess up your mindset. Stay disciplined, stay focused. Let's meet on Monday. See you in the next video.